good afternoon and good evening.
Wherever you are.
It's Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party.
Look, there's mist and there's lights and there's pumpkins and scary looking things.
No, I'm not that scary. I'm not that scary. I mean, children cry sometimes when they say it.
They do, they do.
Most people have got costumes on, and I didn't have to bother. We are going to go in and we're going to check it all out, and we got parades, fireworks, shows, candy, rides, loads of stuff. So I think we should just crack on and
get in there.
Let's go. Baby, have you seen the castle? Green. She's green. This way for Candy. Candy bag for me. Awesome, thank you. Just one. I mean, I'll have more than one if you're giving them. Baby, let's do this. First lot of Candy. Ooh. Awesome, thank you very much. Oh.
Right there.
Thank you very much.
This is your full-size bag of M&M's you get.
Trick or treat.
Hi, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. It's a better Halloween now. More Chucky.
More turkey.
More Chucky. More the Chucky. I made you stand through and watch the fireworks with me, didn't I, baby?
Yes, we got here. What time did we get here? About
half seven. It's now half 10.
Half 10. We're allowed to do stuff.
But we have done the fireworks. We did do the parade.
Yep.
And we did the show. So we've done all of them. Yeah. So next up is what Claire's been waiting. What Claire's been waiting for is Rise of Candy.
Yeah. So
candy. There you go, you've had one set of candy, time to leave.
No. Hi, friend.
Hiya, trick or treat candy, please. Thank you.
There we go. Happy Halloween.
Thank you. So we've just been started here, the last floor. We're going to do this one, and then we're going to go up here and round here and get all of the candy.
Let's go.
Let's go. Run. 3, 2, 1, go. Baby. Oh, Hannah means family. And it's not It's not just Stitch, it's Elvis Stitch for the win. Treat stop number 2. Candy, candy, candy. Give me other candy. Go on, chance it. Give me other candy.
I'm English, give me sweeties.
Give me sweeties and chocolates. Hello, candy please. Thank you. More candy please. Oh, more candy please. How many times will it work? Yay! Thank you very much. I'm sorry, I almost missed you.
Happy Halloween.
Yeah, happy Halloween. Baby, Halloween completed it, mate. Number 2, and my bag is almost full. It says 5 minutes, so I think that's a goer.
Let's go.
Join in. Oh, I feel sick. I feel like we're still spinning. Oh, 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 that was too much. That's supposed to be for kids, but that was too much. There's treats by the barnstormer, man.
Let's go get treats.
Do the monster mash. That's better. Baby, they're taking us a weird way for candy. I think they might be taking us down a dark alley to steal my candy, yeah? What else do you think I was going to say?
I'll take any holiday.
Hello, candy please.
Here you are.
Yeah.
There we go.
More please.
I'm not mad about it.
Yeah, it works. Yeah. Thank you very much.
He's trying his luck everywhere he can.
Yeah.
Thank you. Of course. Have a good night.
And you. I feel like I'm in a Tim Burton's film. Candy, please.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. 21 today.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. See, nobody believes me. Nobody believes me. 21 plus 14, something like that.
Well, did you do your Disney birthday today yet? It's however, if you add both numbers together, that's your Disney birthday.
7.
Out in his way.
Either way, pick a
It's a race.
Bye. What a loser. Don't give it candy, it's a trick. Candy, please.
Happy Halloween.
Fill her up. Yeah. Thank you. Can I have your bag as well?
No. We literally need to decant if we want more. Chuck some in the back. We don't want to put them off from giving us more candy.
Where's all the candy? Is it this way? Where's all the candy? Candy! Oh, they're just refilling. Put it in there, put it in there. Put it in there, go on. And now can I swap you the bag for the bucket? More candy! Ram it in. That's what she said.
Party.
Right, number 2.
Hello. Treasure 1820.
You're right in there, mate.
Yeah, thanks for filming and not helping. You're really humanitarian.
Any pleasure to our mate.
Yeah, move along.
Way, hey, and up she rises, way.
He's looking a little thin. Do you know what he needs? He needs some candy.
Shave in the belly with a rusty razor. Shave in the belly with a rusty razor. Shave in the belly with a rusty razor.
Down, you lily-livered lumber! If you're ready for the pirate, ready for the pirate joke of the day, say aye!
Aye!
Aye! Where does Captain Hook get out of his hook?
Don't know.
Second-hand store?
Pirate son, we got about 10 minutes to get to the Haunted Mansion. We best get a wriggle on, baby. Get a wriggle on. And to end the night, the Haunted Mansion. Because you haven't done Halloween and a Halloween party if you don't come to the Haunted Mansion.
Well, I didn't get to do it last year because
I was poorly.
So.
Well, I'm not poorly this time, so we got plenty of candy.
Yeah.
And we did a couple of rides, and we're going to finish with the best one. Save the best till last.
To match my ears.
Yes. Time for a ghoulish end to a ghoulish night. He agrees. It's alright, it's not flash. It's not even in focus.
Rat Bonneteam, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
Go.
Wait for it.
Wait for it. Yeah.
Now that
is what I call them.
ridiculous candy.
I'm like, oh, look at that. It's kind of beautiful. It covers half the bed.
You just want to get in it, don't you?
Yeah.